You don't need to quit your job to start an AI powered business. You can absolutely start a business after 5 p.m. with just a laptop. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lysandra, and on this channel I talk about things like how to start a business, AI specifically, using AI to start a business, and also how you can do that while working a regular job. So if that's something that you're into, or if that's you, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. So let's think about it. What if, because I know a lot of us, me included, are in, well, you would call wage slavery, which means you can work X amount of physical hours, but you're still going to reach a cap because you literally can't work X amount of hours in a 24-hour time frame. You got to get rest or whatever. But what if your side hustle, AI powered business, any of that, made more than your regular job? You may think it's not possible, but it is. Because I can tell you that once you make that first dollar and you see what's possible, that will encourage you, that will motivate you, and you will keep going. But just let that sit for a minute. What if you could create a digital product, it make money while you work your regular job? Because that's what I'm doing. And you would eventually, probably quicker, because with AI, you can have the ability to bring things to speed quicker and to get your thoughts out quicker and to create a product quicker. But what if you could do that and replace your job quicker than what you thought? How would that be for you? For me, I know it would be great because I'm tired of working for somebody else. So I'm quite sure it's going to be the same for you. So AI has changed the game for a lot of people, meaning the barrier to entry used to be here because you had to have money was the biggest thing. Now the barrier to entry is very low. The AI tools I know that I use, all of them pretty much have a free version, which can get you started. And then at some point you will, of course, want to upgrade. But like, I'm in school, so we get like a discount on a lot of things. But even without that, still, we're talking under $50, under $40 for tools that can help you with your ideas. And those ideas, you can put together products or digital products specifically, and you can bring those out to market and you can share them and you can monetize them. So AI has changed the game for entrepreneurs because it takes away the things that you would need. Money. You don't have to be the smartest person because literally there are people out there dumber than you that are doing this. So like, AI removes that. And like I said, I'm using the tools, so I know that to be true. So, and I'm looking at my notes here so I can make sure I get it all out right. So we're going to talk about 3 businesses that two, I'm actually doing extremely well and I have implemented. And the third one I have done, I have knowledge of it, but of course I'm not focused on that because of what my offer is. But the first one we're going to talk about, and we're going to focus on 3. The first AI powered business that you could absolutely do after work while working your job is going to be AI assisted digital products. What does that look like? That looks like templates, guides, mini courses, things that use your skills and your knowledge. Like, I would not tell anybody to start talking about things that have not given you a life lesson or things that you do not know. I would say stick with things that you do know. So you can do that with AI assisted digital products. How that would work is like, I know how to build. GPTs will allow me to put in, this is what I want to build. This is what my skill set is. What type of digital product should I be, or should I put out? Should I make? So from that GPT, it will give me my offer. And then from there, it will help me to get clarity on who my audience is, what the pain point is, how I can solve it, how I can get them a transformation. So one problem, one audience, one offer, transformation. There it is. You can do that with speed by using AI. I have been a user of ChatGPT for a while, but now I'm starting to use Claude because Claude gives me a better result. And then the things that you can do, like with charts and data, is amazing. But still, both of them are free to use. You should use them. Like, prompting is going to be the thing. There are many YouTube videos out there to teach you about prompting. I would say spend like 30 minutes, find one that works for you, start prompting into Claude and ChatGPT, and let it give you your offer, your audience, what problem you're going to solve, and what the digital product should be. You want to do that. So the next thing is number 2, AI business, would be AI content services. What does that look like? That's helping your other small business, solopreneurs, or pretty much, I would say small business mainly, or big business. If you're in that space and you got those kind of connections, it would be doing that to help them grow with their content. A lot of small businesses want to do content or even implement AI, but they don't know how to do it. If you know how to do it, you can absolutely offer that to them as a service. Now, don't feel like you have to know everything about AI, because here's what I learned. If you know more than the person that is asking the basic questions, you can answer those. You probably know enough to charge them for a service. Because what you don't know, you have the basics of it and you know how to find out the answer. So don't think you have to be an expert. You just have to know more than the person that's asking the basic questions. That's pretty much all you have to know. But you can offer things like content strategy, giving them 30 days for their specific audience, helping them get clear on what their messaging is. Those are things that you can do, and you don't have to be a whiz at it. You can once you know how to prompt, you can literally go into a business, take their information, go back to Claude. Claude will give you a whole framework, a whole blueprint for that company. You tweak it, you tailor it, you present it to them, and you're paid for the services. Very easy. Your Claude subscription costs you $20 a month. You could easily charge somebody $500 to $1,000 or more, depending on what it is, for the service. You can go lower than that, but the thing is, make people pay you for your time. None of these things should be for free. Now, you may do it for free to get a review, but after you get a review, don't do it. I've done that before, doing things for free. It doesn't work. It don't put no money in your pocket. So don't do that. Number 3 is AI micro businesses, which would be like your niche newsletters, Notion templates, or Canva templates, things like that. Now, I'm a Canva user. I've used Notion, but probably because I haven't put enough time into it, I don't know how it works really, but I know a lot of people swear by it and they pay good money for the templates because I see them on Etsy and other different places. But if you have a niche newsletter where you focus on, I don't know, baking, and you put out recipes every month, or you do whatever you do with baking and you have a niche newsletter, you can literally help AI to set that up for you on a platform. You can automate it probably to some degree. I imagine you would. And then you can monetize. Like, people could join a private group where you give a baking lesson every month and they could pay a yearly fee of like $200, or they could pay every month for like $20. But that's a way for you to monetize. And you're taking a niche and you're putting it into a digital space, whether it be a newsletter that people can join, and then you have upsells, like a course, like if you were into baking, or you could do templates for like Notion, like for a business. Maybe they have, I don't know, they have clients that come in. They want a Notion template that can explain certain procedures of how to do things when clients come in, where you can produce that template one time, you can sell it over and over. And AI can help you to do that. So there are 3 things. I'll just repeat them. AI-assisted digital products that looks like templates, guides, mini courses. AI content services, which is like helping small businesses with content strategy. and AI micro businesses like your Notion templates, your niche newsletters where they subscribe and you do an upsell. So those are three things you can do after work with a laptop. Doesn't take a lot of money, and you could have another income that would eventually, long as you got clarity and you keep going, would replace your regular 9 to 5. So now you may be thinking which one is going to be the best one for you to start, especially if you're a beginner. So if I had to pick one, I would say probably the digital products. And I'll tell you why. Digital products are going to be the easiest because you would take whatever you know, your skills and your knowledge, and package it up into something that you could sell, whether that be a course, ebook, workbook, whatever it is. That is going to be the easiest. So what you would do is you could go into Claude or Chat GPT, give it all your information. It will consistently ask you questions to help narrow that down or niche it down. And then that would be what you would use for your first product. So that is going to be the easiest. And like I said, for me right now, Claude is giving me a better output, but ChatGPT still will do the same thing. Like they'll do the same thing, and they both have a free version. So like I said, go to Google YouTube videos that talk about prompting for AI, get a good base for that, because the output you get is only good as what you give it. So if you don't give it exact things or as much information, you may not give you what you want. But like I said, just Google YouTube videos on how to do prompting and you should be fine. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And if this video resonated with you, if you got anything out of it, please be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, also hit that bell for notifications. And then also, if you know someone else that could benefit for this information, please be sure to share this video. I would so appreciate it. And with that, thank you so much for watching. Oh, and I forgot. Comment below, like what business you're thinking about starting, what you got out of this video, what skills you have, what digital product would you like to make and what your skill set is. I'd like to know. Now with that, thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.